Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can update all drivers into your Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our start icon over here and then we will go for settings. So after coming on settings, we will go for at the left side Windows update over here. So click on that. And then you can see you will just click on this update item, retry all, and by this you can update or you can know which update are requiring for your drivers. You can know from here. So now we will go for another step called go for start icon over here and go for device manager. And after that, here you can see there are a lot of drivers in different section. So if I go for Bluetooth section and if I want to update or wants to know that this driver has any update or not, for that we just need to click on our right mouse button, click on update driver, and from here we can choose automatically drivers update or we can choose from manually driver update. So we will prefer you to do the automatic driver update, and you can see that they are saying my driver is up to date. So from here you can update your all drivers, and so this is how you can update Windows 11 or Windows 10 update drivers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.